In today's video, we're going to be installing these ditch light brackets on my Gen 3 Tacoma. I picked up these brackets on Amazon for maybe about $20. All you need to install is going to be the brackets itself and a 13mm socket. First thing you're going to do is you're going to loosen this topmost bolt from your hood. You're going to take it out all the way, put it somewhere for safekeeping, and then you're going to take the correct side bracket and fish it under the hood, and you're going to gently tighten those threads back in. Next, you're going to come over to the lower bracket, lower bolt, and you're going to loosen that one up. Your hood may slide down a little bit. Just kind of remember where the positioning was, and you can always adjust it after you have these installed. So second bolt is out. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the bracket, slide it into place, figure out precisely where we want it, and now you're going to reinstall that bolt, that lower bolt you just took out. You may have to jiggle your hood around a little bit to get it into place. Not too hard. Once you have that hand tightened, you can take your ratchet, start tightening it back up. And you can tighten it down pretty good. There's probably torque specs somewhere, but I'm just taking it down pretty tight. All right, and we can repeat the process on the driver's side. Start by loosening the top bolt. Take that out all the way. All right, and now we're going to take that bolt. Same process as the other side. Get it up under the hood. Finger tight. And now if your truck's a little older, you may need some WD-40. Help it along, as there may be a little bit of rust or corrosion that may develop in there. As you can see here, I'm just going to spray a little bit of WD-40 up in that hole. Not necessary, but just want to protect the longevity of this install. Nice and tight. Let's close her up and take a look. We just installed ditch light brackets on my Gen 3 Tacoma. In the next video, we'll be installing ditch lights on these brackets we just installed. If you like this video, please check out my others, like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me know that you guys want me to keep making these videos, spend the time, make these videos for you guys. See you guys in the next one.